Welcome to India Enterprise, manufacturer and supplier of hydraulic door closers. The company was incorporated in 2004 at Rajkot. Our products are applicable in hotels, coffee bars, colleges, and other areas. Assured quality products, market-leading prices, and large production capacity are some of the key factors behind our success. Our team comprises of engineers, quality auditors, sales, and marketing executives. We offer a wide array of hydraulic and designer hydraulic door closers. Our hydraulic door closers are in huge demand across the global markets. Honest and Sello-owned door closers are available with us at cost-effective prices. Our KO pole and door closers are reckoned all over the world for their superb quality. We are engaged in offering supreme quality designer hydraulic door closers that are widely acclaimed in the market. To get more information, log on at www.doorcloser.co.in.